Hey there, it's Matt Holquist with the QuickBooks University. I wanted to put together this video to show you how to bring some life to your forms in your business so that, when you get into QuickBooks Online, you start invoicing, doing estimates, etc. Just giving some life to your business. It just makes it look so much better to your customers or, your prospects that you've got some kind of personality to your forms, okay? So that's what we're gonna go through in this video. Okay, so I've got a sample company file open here, Craig's Design and Landscaping Services, okay? And we want to customize our invoices. Okay, a lot of times I see clients moving from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online. And in QuickBooks Desktop, they have made some custom invoices, etc. They've had it set up that way for years. They move over to QuickBooks Online and they have to redo it. Well, the interface is different, okay? All right, so here's what we're gonna do. There's two places you can go here. If you hit the gear icon, you can go to Accounts and Settings, or you can go to Lists, okay? So Account and Settings. If I go over here to Sales, you can customize the look and feel, okay? So that'll get you to custom form styles, or you can go to All Lists, Custom Form Styles, and you get to the same place, all right? So let's say that we want to create an invoice style, okay? We're gonna click the New Style button. We're gonna go to Invoice, and you'll see you can do an estimate or sales receipt, all right? So new invoice, and it says create invoices that turn heads and open wallets, and you'll see what this kind of sample looks like right here. So we've got some buttons here across the top, design, okay? First of all, you want to name this, let's say my custom invoice, okay? And then you've got some options down here, okay? So first of all, we want to change up the look, okay? So you've got a couple options here. We're gonna choose modern. You can go through and see which one looks good for you, all right? And you can go through and change these colors too, okay? They're not permanent. All right, so let's choose modern, and then we're gonna say make logo edits, okay? So we want to add a different logo in here. So I'm gonna pick the QuickBooks University logo. All right, so you see it comes up there, and you'll notice that the colors change too. All right, it's kind of nice how it does that to match your logo. You can choose the size, small, medium, large, and you can also put the placement wherever you want it, okay? We're gonna put it right there on the right-hand side. You can go to try other colors, okay? It chose this one based on my logo, which I think is kind of neat, but you can also choose different colors. All right, so you'll see it changes these. Could choose green, whatever you want to do. Choose a different font. If we want to make this a little bit bigger, okay, we can do that. And we can also change, let's say we want it to be Courier Times New Roman, okay? So let's say we want it to look like that, okay? And if you want to edit the print settings, you print it and you change it up so that if you want it to print a certain way to fit an envelope, okay? All right, so once we get our design kind of looking the way we want it to, we're gonna go over to the content, and you can choose the pencils here to adjust different parts of the invoice, okay? So you can add a phone number, email, if you wanna put an address on there, website, okay, the form name, okay, if you want to call it invoice or custom invoice or whatever you want to do. Form numbers, okay, you can do custom transaction numbers. And then on the display, you can add these certain items. And you can also add custom fields if you'd like, all right? So let's go over to the next section. Again, you can put in different columns. Okay, you can edit labels, all the labels and the widths of different things that you want to do. There's additional activity options, all right? Okay, so lots of different options here. And then down on the summary, okay? message to customer on invoices. You can change the message. You can add a footer text like, hey, finance charge after a certain amount of time. Okay, so lots of different things you can do here. Emails. Okay, this is going to be the email format for when you email this invoice to your customer. You can change this up. And then payments. Okay, this is where you can adjust and accept payments. Okay, if you have this set up. All right, and then you can go and preview a PDF. All right, to see what this is going to look like. Let's see if this pulls this up. Okay, so we have, this is what our invoice is going to look like. All right. So it really helps when you go in. A lot of people will go in and just use the basic, invoice function in QuickBooks Online, and it looks pretty drab. It looks pretty boring, but you can add some life to your forms. Okay. And it does do a lot for your business when you bring it some life. All right. Hope this helped. Love to see you at the QuickBooks University. We've got a full course there. I teach you everything about QuickBooks, and I give you full support when you have QuickBooks questions. Hope this helped. We'll see you in the next video.